Java, Learn Easy tool.
Object is an unique entity which has its own characteristics and behavior. Characteristics are represented as data and behavior is represented through functions.
Class is a group of objects or blueprint of objects. Characteristics are represented as data and behavior is represented through functions.
Principles of OOPS. Objects, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, dynamic binding.
Wrapping up of data and function into a single unit called class is termed as encapsulation. Inheritance is the process of which an object of a class can acquire some characteristics from object of another class. Polymorphism is using one function for many purpose. It is implemented through function overloading. Data abstraction is the process of showing the essential features, but hiding the background details. Dynamic binding is the process of linking the function call with function signature during runtime. Class termed as object factory. Using one class, many objects can be created. Since one class can create many objects, it is termed as object factory. Object as instance of class. Objects of a class contains data and functions provided in a class. It possesses all the features of the class. Hence it is termed as instance of class. Difference between JDK and BlueJ. JDK uses DOS mode whereas BlueJ uses GUI. No sample program appears in JDK. Sample program appears in BlueJ. User should remember code in JDK. BlueJ is menu-driven. Characteristics of Java. Where built-in graphics. Object-oriented. Lightweight. Security. Supports multimedia. Open product. Types of Java program. Java application, source code written by the user. Java applet, program that is downloaded from the internet. Bytecode is an intermediate code which Java Virtual Machine can understand. It can run on any platform. Characteristics of Java. Where built-in graphics. Object-oriented. Lightweight. Security. Supports multimedia. Open product. Content of BlueJ. Editor, to edit or type the program. Debugger to correct the errors. Viewer to view the code typed. Method main. The program execution starts from the method main. It is used to execute any method. Java character set. It consists of letters, digits and other signs. Unicode. Java uses Unicode, which is a 2-byte code. Unicode represents all characters of human alphabets. First 128 are identical as ASCII. Token is the smallest individual unit in a program. Java tokens are keywords, identifiers, literals, punctuators, operators. Keywords are reserved words in Java that are used for special purpose. Not all keywords are reserved words except true, false and null. Identifiers are the building block of Java program. It is otherwise called as variables. Rules for naming a variable. Variable can have any number of characters. It may contain alphabets, digits and underscore. Underscore can be applied in between the characters to increase the length of variable name. Variable name should be meaningful. Literals. They are constants in Java program. The values are fixed and remain constant throughout the program. Types of literals. Integer literal. Floating literal. Boolean literal. Character literal. String literal. Null literal. Escape sequence. Non-graphic characters. Cannot be typed directly from keyboard. \n new line. \t horizontal tab. Data types in Java. Data types are classified into primitive and non-primitive. Primitive are otherwise built-in data. Non-primitive are called as reference or composite data type. Type conversion. Data can be converted into two ways: implicit type conversion, explicit type conversion.